my god, look at my boobs. So I know that Black Friday happened almost like a month ago, but I was waiting for all my items to arrive so I can put them all in one video. This time around, I did not go all out and buy a whole bunch of items because I have already made a lot of big purchases this year. If you don't believe me, you can watch my past clothing haul videos that I uploaded this year. The link to the playlist will be in the description box below. Other than that, before we start the video, please click the subscribe button below. Follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. I'll definitely follow you back. Now, let's jump straight into this clothing haul because I can't wait to show you guys. So I know some of you are here to see if I shop on SSENSE for Black Friday, and of course I fucking did. But I only bought one item for myself and one more item as a gift for my friend. Like I mentioned in my past SSENSE videos, I am waiting to near the end of the sale to buy more items. So as of right now, I only bought one, and I was waiting for this item to see if it would go any lower, but my size was slowly running out, so I decided to pull the trigger and buy the item. It is this super tight, super futuristic turtleneck from MISBHV. At first, I was really sad that size extra small was sold out, so I got this in a small instead. I was really nervous that it was going to be big, but oh my god. This turtleneck is just so tight, like skin tight, and I'm not mad about it. I'm thinking of wearing this with some baggy trousers to complete the look. The original price was $140, but I got this for like $109. A little pricey, but the quality and the design speak for themselves. Okay, so this is the turtleneck from MISBHV. It looks so good. I understand why this turtleneck is so tight. It's like a superhero costume. I love this turtleneck so fucking much. Oh my god, look at how it looks on me. I love this. Make my boobs look big too. I feel like if I was a Charlie Angel, I would wear something like this with like really badass leather pants and like, and you know, I'm ready to fight. Oh. Period. So chunky boots and chunky shoes are trending this season and probably the next season. And since I don't have the budget to get the actual ones from Bottega, I decided to find something similar on ASOS. I found these faux leather sock chunky boots from Bershka. I was not sure if I would be into the look, but when I got these boots, holy shit, they fit me so well, and they look so good. I love that they are socks boots too, since I don't own any sock boots yet, but now I do. I am really glad that I made the decision to get these, and I know I will start rocking these in the next few days. I haven't worn them yet because I wanted to film this video before wearing them, but after this video I'm going to just keep them on and just walk around the house in these, because why not? The original price was, I believe, $71, but I got them for $63 on Black Friday. Look at how cute they are. Oh. Next up, Zara. I got two items from them. I bought these faux leather long shorts. They're really long. I have been wearing shorts a lot lately, and when I saw these on sale for $24, I decided to get them. These shorts are longer than my knees. Maybe I can wear these with my socks boots. I don't know if that would be too much, but I'll try them on with my boots for you guys to see. They look kind of cute with my leather shorts, don't they? They're over the knees, As you can see, they're really long. Even though these are made of faux leather, but the fabric looks like real leather to me. Another item that I got from Zara is this long denim jumpsuit. The original price is $70 and I bought it for $42. I have been looking to add more jumpsuits to my closet lately. Since I don't have any denim jumpsuit yet, I thought that this would be cute to wear during the winter. Thank God I bought this jumpsuit in a medium. It fits me really well, even though it looks big on the hanger, but it fits me really well. If I got this in a small or an extra small, it will be too tight on me since I found these in the women's section. But yeah. Okay, so here I'm wearing the jumpsuit. As you can see, it fits me really well. And it has this vintage look, which I really like. So I have never shopped at Uniqlo before, but I heard that they have a lot of high quality items. So I bought 2 turtlenecks, one in black, looks like this, super simple. So I can wear it inside and layer up. And then I bought one in white, the white one, really nice. I got both of these for $30, so $15 per turtleneck, not that bad. This is from the heat tech section. The fabric is really nice. It feels amazing. I just know that it will keep me warm in the cold weather. So this is the turtleneck in black. The sleeves are a little bit short on me. Like, look at that. I prefer the sleeve to be a little longer, but other than that, it feels really nice when I put this on, and I'm pretty sure it will keep me really warm. This is the turtleneck in white. Same thing, the sleeves are very short on me, but that's fine because I usually like to layer up my turtleneck. I like to wear this as the first layer, and then I will put on like an oversized button-up or a jacket, so it's totally fine. I really don't care about the sleeves. I just want to have more turtlenecks. Next, I bought 2 heat tech long johns, also for $30 for both. This is the black one, and I bought one in gray, like light gray. I got these so I can wear them under my pants. My legs get cold really easily, so these are much needed to keep me warm and cozy. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, I did not buy a lot of stuff because I'm trying to slow down with spending my money. On top of that, I had to buy a lot of Christmas gifts, so my shopping budget is a little bit tight this time around. But you know what? I'm still looking at the SSENSE sales. Who knows? We might get a separate clothing haul for SSENSE. Anyways, I know that yeah, there will be more exciting hauls in the future. If you want to check out my past clothing haul videos, like I said, the link to the playlist will be in the description box below. Other than that, please give this video a like. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at very.snatch, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!